Have you ever felt like you're working harder than ever, but still not getting ahead? You hustle through your 9 to 5, maybe even add a side gig, and yet, true financial freedom still feels out of reach. Here's the hard truth. Wealthy people don't rely on hard work alone. They rely on passive income, money that flows in while they sleep, travel, or sip coffee on a beach in Bali. And guess what? In 2025, the game has completely changed. With new tech, smarter tools, and high-yield platforms, building reels, automated income streams has never been easier or more profitable. But only if you know where to look. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 of the richest passive income ideas for 2025, step by step. Not just vague ideas. I'm talking real strategies, exact platforms, and insider tips that can turn small investments into long-term cash flow. So stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll have the blueprint to stop trading time for money and start making your money work for you. Let's begin. Passive income. Idea 1. High-yield digital products with AI automation. In 2025, digital products are no longer just ebooks and PDFs. They've evolved into smart, interactive tools that work for people. Think AI-powered journals, productivity templates, automated calculators, and niche software tools. The beauty? You build it once, automate delivery through platforms like Gumroad, PayHip, or Lemon Squeezy, and it keeps selling. Let's take an example. Imagine creating a Notion template for solopreneurs or a smart budget tracker in Google Sheets with built-in AI formulas. You list it, market it through a one-time content push, like a blog post or YouTube Shorts, and set up autoresponders for email delivery. That's it. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service unless you want to go premium. Now here's the secret sauce in 2025. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva Magic Write allow you to create digital assets in hours, not weeks. You can generate outlines, design pages, and even get product descriptions instantly. Your focus is now packaging, not production. And here's where you go big. Bundle products. People love value. Instead of one $9.99 template, offer a pack for $39 with bonuses, and you've just 4x'd your revenue on the same effort. The marketing engine? Pair it with Gumroad's affiliate feature. Others can promote your product and earn commissions, while you scale. You can even create a freebie lead magnet to capture emails, like a free business dashboard, then upsell in the welcome sequence. Fully automated, fully scalable. Digital products have always been passive, but in 2025 they're smarter, faster, and more profitable than ever. This is the new age vending machine for knowledge workers. Passive income. Idea 2. Dividend-paying ETFs with Autopilot rebalancing. Passive income from stocks is classic, but let's upgrade that to 2025 standards. Instead of guessing which stock pays dividends, smart investors now park their money into dividend-focused ETFs like SCHD, VYM, or even global options like IDV. These are baskets of dividend-paying companies that are managed and rebalanced, so your money keeps working even when you're not watching. Why ETFs and not individual stocks? Because you get diversification, lower risk, and consistent income with minimal management. Now here's the trick. Use platforms like M1 Finance or SoFi Invest. They allow for fractional investing, automatic rebalancing, and dividend reinvestment plans, DRIP. That means when a dividend hits your account, it's reinvested without you lifting a finger. That's real automation. Now imagine this. You invest $500 per month into a high-yield ETF portfolio. With compounding and dividend reinvestment, that can grow into a 6-figure passive income machine in under 15 years. And that's with modest returns. Some investors in 2025 are even pairing ETFs with covered call ETFs like JEPI and QILD, which generate monthly premiums in addition to dividends. Higher income, though slightly higher risk. And here's a bonus layer. If you're outside the US, many brokers now offer synthetic ETFs with similar dividend profiles. This is a global game now. You can also set up your portfolio to mirror top investors through copy trading platforms like eToro, further reducing your research load. Dividends may sound boring to some, but in a world where everything is volatile, boring is beautiful, especially when it pays you every month. Passive Income Idea 3. Cash flow from AI niche websites. Forget blogging like it's 2010. In 2025, niche websites have transformed into micro-media businesses, and AI is the fuel behind them. You no longer need to write 50 articles yourself or hire expensive writers. With AI tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, and Surfer SEO, you can create SEO-optimized content at scale faster than ever. The strategy is simple. Pick a profitable niche like sleep health, personal finance for teens, or remote work tools. Then use AI to build 30 to 50 articles around low-competition keywords. Use tools like Uber Suggest or Low Fruits to find those keywords. Upload to your site with SEO best practices and let Google index it. Over time, you'll start getting organic traffic. Then comes the monetization layer, ads. Services like Ezoic or Mediavine can place ads on your site automatically. Once your traffic hits a certain threshold, say 10,000 monthly visitors, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $500 per month just from ads. Add affiliate links and info products, and you can 3x that income. Want to go fully passive? Hire a virtual assistant or use AI to monitor your site health, fix broken links, and update old content. You can even flip the site for a 30-40x monthly income multiple once it matures. That's like building a rental property, but in digital form and without the leaky faucets. The key in 2025 is speed and precision. AI helps you scale quickly, but choosing the right niche is the foundation. If you treat it like a business, not a blog, you'll unlock an engine that earns while you sleep. Passive income. Idea 4. Subscription-based digital tools and SaaS. You know what's better than a one-time product sale? A subscription that renews every month without you lifting a finger. That's the holy grail of passive income. And in 2025, you don't need to be a full-stack developer to build SaaS tools. With no-code platforms like Bubble, Glide, and Softer, anyone can create functional digital tools that solve problems and charge a monthly fee for access. Let's say you create a habit tracker for remote teams, a custom fitness planner, or a freelance invoice dashboard. You plug it into Stripe for payments, set up onboarding emails with ConvertKit or Beehive, and boom, it's ready to launch. The passive income model comes alive once you hit product market fit. Even if you only charge $10 a month and get 500 users, that's $5,000 per month in recurring revenue. And unlike digital courses or products, SaaS tools have very low churn if they provide real utility. Here's how you supercharge it. Partner with micro-influencers in your niche for affiliate launches. Offer lifetime deals on AppSumo to get beta users. Use AI chatbots to handle customer queries. Suddenly, your little side project becomes a full-time passive engine. In 2025, people don't want more information. They want tools. They want solutions. And if you give them a tool that saves time or makes money, you can charge for it again and again. This is where passive income meets real business scalability. Passive Income Idea 5. Automated print-on-demand stores with AI designs. No inventory, no warehouse, no shipping. Welcome to the world of AI-powered print-on-demand. In 2025, anyone can launch a global e-commerce store selling custom t-shirts, mugs, journals, posters, and more, without ever touching the product. And now, with generative AI tools, you don't even need design skills. Here's the play. Use Midjourney, Dolly, or Kittle to create viral niche-based designs. Think quotes for nurses, motivational art for gym lovers, or astrology-themed planners. Upload your designs to platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Gelato. These platforms fulfill orders, ship them, and handle customer service for you. You simply connect your store to Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Merch on demand. Add keywords, write AI-generated product descriptions, and run low-budget ads or influencer shoutouts to get traffic. Once it gains traction, you can literally earn money in your sleep. One hoodie sale might make you $8 profit. Doesn't sound like much, but when one design catches on and gets shared or ranked, it can sell hundreds per month. Multiply that by 50 products across 10 niches, and you've built a cash flow machine powered by creativity and automation. Best part? You don't hold any inventory. No losses, no storage. You can pivot fast and test designs quickly. And with AI doing 80% of the heavy lifting, your main job becomes idea generation and trend spotting. It's not just a hustle, it's a long-term brand builder that prints money, literally. Passive income. Idea 6. Licensing and selling AI-generated content libraries. In 2025, content is king, but owning content is what builds empires. And right now, there's a hidden passive income stream that most people are missing: licensing AI-generated content. This means creating a library of digital assets, images, voiceovers, video B-roll, music, or written scripts, and renting or licensing them for use. Let's say you use tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or DALL-E to generate aesthetic photo packs, maybe for bloggers, YouTubers, or small business ads. You upload them to platforms like Creative Market, Envato, or even your own Gumroad shop. Add a commercial use license, and boom, people start paying you for the right to use them. One design pack can earn you hundreds over time. Now take it up a notch. Voiceovers. With tools like 11 Labs and PlayHT, you can generate studio-quality AI voiceovers for different tones, moods, and accents. You create 5,100 audio clips across topics, motivational quotes, meditation scripts, podcast intros, and license them to content creators. Every sale is passive after the initial upload. Writers are doing this too. AI can help you build libraries of newsletter templates, ad copy bundles, resume formats, or even legal clauses, all packaged and sold with commercial rights. Once uploaded, promoted, and licensed, they sell repeatedly. Even more powerful? Bundle different content formats together. Imagine offering a full content creator kit: images, scripts, captions, and audio snippets. Charge a premium. Or create a subscription library where members pay monthly for access to new uploads. That's recurring passive income. And the best part? You own the rights. No algorithms can demonetize you. No platform can suddenly ban you. You're not building content for someone else's platform. You're building digital intellectual property. This is the passive income stream of digital landlords. In 2025, data is oil, but licensed data is gold. Passive income. Idea 7. Peer-to-peer lending and real estate crowdfunding, global access. In 2025, you no longer need to be a millionaire to earn passive income from real estate or debt financing. Thanks to fintech innovation and global platforms, anyone, even with $100, can invest in income-generating assets through peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunded real estate. Let's break it down. Peer-to-peer lending means you lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Mintos, Lending Club, or Kiva. You earn interest, just like a bank. The more reliable the borrower, the lower the risk. In return, you get fixed monthly payments. In 2025, AI underwriting models have improved risk assessment, meaning higher quality borrowers and better repayment rates. Now flip the coin. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet allow everyday investors to own fractional shares of income-producing properties, apartment buildings, commercial plazas, even logistics centers. You earn passive income through rental yields, plus appreciation when properties are sold. What's the step-by-step? Start by choosing a platform regulated in your region. Fund your account. Choose your risk profile: conservative with stable income, or aggressive with growth upside. Then sit back. Most platforms automate everything: tenant management, rent collection, legal compliance. You just collect distributions quarterly or monthly. And here's a hidden gem. Some platforms offer auto-invest features. This means every time you deposit funds, the system diversifies it across multiple deals. You don't need to manually pick each one. Even international investors are getting in. Some platforms have opened to global users via crypto on-ramps or digital KYC, making real estate truly borderless. It's the closest thing to owning property, without touching a brick. And the cherry on top? Real estate is a natural inflation hedge. In uncertain times, your property-backed investments retain value and provide income, while fiat-based savings shrink. So whether it's lending money to vetted borrowers or co-owning commercial property, you're stepping into the shoes of the bank or the landlord, but without the work, the headaches, or the lawsuits. Now that you've seen how the wealthy build income while the rest of the world sleeps, the only question left is, what will you do with this knowledge? Because ideas are cheap. Execution, that's where the money is made. You don't need to master all 7 passive income streams at once. You just need to pick one, take the first step, and stay consistent. Whether it's launching a digital product, investing in dividend ETFs, or building your first AI-powered niche site, you have more tools and leverage in 2025 than ever before in history. But here's the truth. If you wait, you'll watch others get ahead. You'll see people with less money, less skill, and less time outpace you simply because they started. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It means front-loading effort for long-term freedom. So if you're serious about escaping the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, if you're done trading hours for dollars, then it's time to act. And if you want to multiply your future wealth even faster, watch our next video on the power of compounding, how $10 a day can make you a millionaire. And it breaks down the single most powerful force in personal finance and how to use it to build unstoppable momentum. The wealthy don't wait for luck. They build systems, they plant seeds, and they collect the harvest year after year. Your seed is ready. Now it's your move.